auditorium. Now, what we tried to enact was a real life story of a boy of your age who is studying in the US. Now, let's watch him live, as a video clip is always worth or more worth than 1,000 words. Lights on the...
Hello, I am Ashmo. Where I visited every year, I get to meet the school kids.
Hello.
I'm always amazed at how enthusiastic they are to learn, despite their school's impoverished. All of the impoverished. All day, plus during the long monsoon season, the classrooms are dark, which makes it hard for the students to focus. In addition, the 2 to 3 Hello, I am Ashmo. When I visit him every year, I get to meet the school kids he helps out. I'm always amazed at how enthusiastic they are to learn, despite their school's impoverished state. All of the impoverished schools in this area have no electricity. Students feel hot in the classrooms all day, year round. Plus, during the long monsoon season, the classrooms are dark, which makes it hard for the students to focus. In addition, the 2 to 3 computers provided by kind donors cannot function without power. In some schools, the teachers pool together some of their salary money to provide basic electricity for these school children. I want to help out these school kids in a more substantial manner. So I created the non-profit organization Solar Systems for Schools. I want to provide solar electricity for schools, impoverished schools, all over the world. I'm asking for $5,000. Once again, that's $5,000 to provide 2 impoverished schools with solar electricity. Depending on the success of this campaign, I would like to help out impoverished schools all over the world. In addition to this money, I've raised a little over $1,000 by playing my violin at the farmers market this season. By the end of this year, I would like to have raised $2,500, enough to provide a 3rd school with...
Okay, and he is here. What he did was, he went to on weekends, he will play the violin, and he raised around 1.5 lakhs and helped a very poor school in his native place, Palghat. It was reported in Malayalam Manorama, and we saw the beginning of his effort. He fulfilled that effort, and that's how that school is enjoying the privilege of having lights during rainy season, and the fans will work during summer season. Fine. We don't have much time. I'm so sorry that we couldn't start on time. So we have to rush through the theme. Can you quickly... All of you know the words Achan Ningalodu Paranju. Philippians chapter 2 verses 14 and 15. And our theme has come out of these 2 verses. Shine as lights in the world. To be very quick, if we need to shine as lights in this world, first, we have to do things without complaint and dispute. You have to be blameless and harmless and hold fast to the word of life. Since we have to be quick, I need answers from you. What all type of lights you all are familiar with? Sunlight, yes. Then this light, tube light, okay. Then yeah, it's a type of light. Agreed. But think broadly. Candlelight, good. Then spiritual light, fire, yes. Stars, then moon, then sun, then I didn't get what Jesus Christ, good. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുന്ന വഴി എല്ലാവരും നടന്നാണോ? അല്ലല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുന്ന വഴി ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് വണ്ടി നിർത്തുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നോ? Where did it stop? Signal, traffic signal. It's also a light. So, next. In Gospel according to John, chapter 9, verse 5, Jesus Christ said, I am the light of the world. Then you can read again in Matthew chapter 5, verse 14, you are the light of the world. The same person says, I am the light of the world. Then he says, you are the light of the world. So to become the light of the world, what we should become? Yeah, we have to become like Jesus. We have to imitate Jesus Christ in our lives. Before we go into that, now, what does this light help us with? To see. It throws away what? Darkness. So this light throws away the darkness. What does the traffic light do? It gives you? It gives you what? Is it a warning? If you break the signal, what will happen? You will not reach here. So, the traffic light gives you a warning that something dangerous is going to happen. This light gives you or makes the place bright so that darkness goes away. Similarly, as a Christian, when you enter a place, the people should feel that the darkness is going to go. The light has come. Or the person who imitates Jesus Christ, who said, I am the light of the world. A person who is imitating Jesus Christ is with us. Your friends should feel that a person who is imitating Jesus Christ is with us. So now the darkness will move away. The confusions will go away. We will have solutions. Or maybe one of your friends is undertaking or going through a big sin. You can give him a warning. Look, if you don't stop doing this, it will bring you more trouble. So there, you are performing as a traffic light. So, according to each utility a light gives, when you become the light, by imitating Jesus Christ, your role in life also keeps on changing. How can you imitate Jesus Christ? What was his maximum contribution, or what did he do for us, which we all remember? What is it? His death. He died for us. That is what we all remember. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടി ജീവൻ പോലും നൽകാൻ തയ്യാറായ യേശുക്രിസ്തുവിനെയാണ് നമുക്ക് ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടം. നമുക്കൊന്ന് കാണാം. The bridge. Once there was a man who had a son that he loved very much. The man worked as a bridge master for the railroad. His son loved to watch the trains. His son loved to watch the trains and the people who traveled on those trains. And the people who traveled on those trains, his son used to watch them and like them. People who were lonely, angry, selfish, hurting, and addicted. And as it normally happens in life, a tragic mistake. tragic mistake. Leads to an unimaginable choice. Allow everyone on the train to die, or pull the lever and allow his son to be crushed by the bridge, and allow his son to be crushed by the bridge. And he allowed his son to be crushed by the bridge, to become the bridge. പിതാവായ ദൈവം തൻ്റെ പുത്രൻ ഇങ്ങനെ മരിക്കുവാൻ അനുവദിച്ചു, നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടി. നമ്മോടുള്ള സ്നേഹത്തെ പ്രതി സ്വന്തം മകൻ കുരിശിൽ മരിക്കുവാൻ പിതാവായ ദൈവം അനുവദിച്ചു, നമ്മളോടുള്ള സ്നേഹത്തെ പ്രതി മാത്രം. ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ആ പിതാവും കരഞ്ഞു കാണും. The saving of all required the sacrifice of one most dear. Yet the sacrifice of one brought assurance and hope for the future. തിരിച്ചു പോയിട്ട് ഒരാളുടെ ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ ഉണ്ട്, അല്ലേ? ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യാം. We have to quickly sign off, so just one more. Don't worry. Photo ഉണ്ട്. Okay, don't panic. Photo. Does anyone know him? ഫേസ്ബുക്കിലൊക്കെ ഒരുപാട് വന്ന ഫോട്ടോയാണ്. Does any of you know him? And the background. ടീച്ചേഴ്സിന് അറിയായിരിക്കും. ബട്ട് എനി ഓഫ് യു സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ഫേസ്ബുക്കിലൊക്കെ ഒരുപാട് വന്ന ഫോട്ടോയാണ് റീസെന്റ്. ഹിസ് നെയിം ഈസ് റോബർട്ട്. റോബോട്ട് അല്ല, ഹിസ് നെയിം ഈസ് റോബർട്ട്. ഹി വാസ് ഡ്രൈവിംഗ് ആൻ LPG ടാങ്കർ. നാട്ടിൽ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും LPG ടാങ്കറുകൾ റേസ് കാറിന്റെ സ്പീഡിൽ പോകുന്നത്. അതുപോലെ ഹി വാസ് ഡ്രൈവിംഗ് വൺ. ചെറുതായിട്ട് മഴ പെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. കോഴിക്കോട് വെച്ച ഓടിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്ന വണ്ടി ഒരു 3-4 ടൈംസ് സമസോൾട്ട് ചെയ്തു, മറിഞ്ഞത് ഒരു വലിയ കുഴിയിലേക്കായിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ കുഴിയിലേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ വണ്ടി നല്ല സ്പീഡിൽ പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നപ്പോ LPG